Do you feel like you give up loads of times in your artwork? Do you feel that it's too much? Do you feel that maybe you don't have that thing in you? Maybe you're not enough? Maybe you're just a commoner artist not made for it. Hello champs, in this video I'm going to talk with you about your true desire on improving art. How to not give up, how to keep on going, how to be persistent in drawing. If you're listening to this right now, it's because you're probably having a fair amount of trouble with that, and I'm here to give you some easy, quick tips about it. To illustrate better my view on persistence, we are going to get this artwork as a time lapse. This artwork, I don't know how long it took. I truly don't know. Only Rachel, that it's the video editor, is going to truly know how long it took, and you guys watching in the beginning of the video, you guys can see how much it took. I don't know, but what I know is that it was long. It was really long. And you may ask me, how you're able to do such a masterpiece and not give up in the middle? How you are able to every single day know what to do, what to focus? There was so much work ahead, there was so much stuff to be done, and the first thing that I can tell you guys, number one, the pleasure that it comes with having this gigantic project done is everything. So any project that you are struggling right now, it's worth it. It's probably worth it. It's very much worth it. The way you feel by doing it, by finishing that drawing that you set yourself to do it, it's amazing. It's amazing. You're gonna feel like, damn, I can trust myself in that. I knew I was going to do it, and that feeling is going to build your self-esteem, the way you see yourself, the way you trust yourself. So whenever any situation that gets you under pressure, under stress, is going to kick in you that memory of, hey, I was able to trust myself in the past, this can happen again, and I'm prepared for that. I trust me, I know I can do this. Even if I have some doubts, I know I'll be able to pass through that. And developing that self-esteem, developing that view of yourself, it's something that takes time. It's about you showing yourself that, hey, I'm here for you, I'm here for you, I'm here for you again, I'm here for you again. All those times. And believe in yourself is completely related to being persistent, having the habit of doing stuff. Because you trust yourself that you're going to do that. Even if you're feeling tired, even if you're feeling like, just not today, even if you're not tired, but you feel like, nah, you will do it because you trust yourself. You know how much it means to you to give your word to yourself, not to someone else, not your family, not your friends. I'm saying about you with you, your connection with yourself. How have been you doing that? How long have been you working on improving how you see yourself, your image? And not only your image, but what it's doing. Are you someone disciplined? Are you someone that searches for adventure? Are you someone focused on speed? What is your focus? Work on that. See what are your core values inside of you, because they are going to build how your art is going to be, how great it's going to be, all of that. Oh, Gaps, that's so far away. No, it's not. And I used to believe it, that no matter what you are inside, just go and draw and you're gonna get it. No, you gotta have the dog in you. I did it to do this joke, I'm so sorry. So you gotta have that inside of you, that it's like you holding yourself, your hand, like, hey, you can trust me, let's do this. I can be someone that is going to do that. I gave my word, I am someone trustworthy. Build that relationship with yourself, and soon, brick by brick, things are going to develop. You're going to draw in a certain day that you don't feel like it for 10 minutes just because you said you were going to do that. And that's amazing, because you can trust you. Having you to always trust yourself. When you are in the deepest nights, you know who's going to be there? Yes, you, to give you support. Because you trust yourself. That's how deep this relationship needs to be. And bringing that into art means that you have already your mind set into, hey, I don't know maybe when, but I'm going to get this done. I don't know when. You may have 9999999.9 artworks unfinished, but just setting yourself for one, only one, for you to draw and go and do it, it's already an amazing start. You are doing amazing. Give yourself credit. Champ, you are a champ. Give yourself credit, because you're doing it. Baby steps. Don't focus on killing a dragon already. Baby steps. That's how you get persistence. Persistence is not about going and killing that dragon. It's about training every day to maybe one day kill that dragon. Even if there's no dragon, you are there every single day training for it, and you just show up for it. Success is mainly made 90% of what you're doing daily, constantly, that habit inside of you, little bit by little bit, even if it's just one stroke, even if it's just a single stroke in that artwork, you are already being consistent, and that's amazing, and I'm proud of you. I am extremely proud of you if you're just doing that one single stroke, because it's showing that you're showing up, that you're there doing something because you said you are going to do. And maybe you want to tell me that you're feeling tired and you're like, I don't want to do this anymore. Well, depends on what it is. Depending on the goal, the best thing, the most smart thing to do is to give up. But let's say it's a goal that the best thing that can happen is you going to the end. It's a goal that it's a must that you do and finish that. Like it's an art job. You need to finish that artwork in a certain deadline and then you draw, but you're not feeling like that. Plan. I need you to be smart about it. I need you to not go and only draw like you're a soldier. I need you to be the tenant in this war. I need you to be the one thinking of strategies on how to win this war. Not only go there with your gun and bang, bang, bang. No. This is not smart. You are smart. I believe in you. I don't care if someone told you in your life that you're not smart. You are smart. You are the same species as me. From what I know, you are the same species as me. So you are smart. We are in the top of the food chain. You can do incredible things. Even if you don't believe in yourself, I do believe in you. You can do that. So what I mean by that, plan. Choose only one specific area to draw for 1 hour and that's it. Don't let yourself get away on, oh, I need to touch this chin or this eye. No, you're going to only draw this specific armor piece for 1 straight hour. Nothing more, nothing less. Oh, I want to draw a little bit more. No, you said 1 hour. Discipline is about not only doing a lot, but it's also about knowing when to stop. For other workaholics listening to me right now, it's knowing when to stop. Do you know when to stop? I'm calling you out. Do you know? Because I struggled many years on knowing how to stop, and finally that I understand how to stop, I felt more freedom in me. And I believe this is going to help you to stay consistent, persistent, because you're not going to feel like dying every single artwork. Since you know when to stop, you feel like, I rested. I stopped drawing when I needed to stop. So now my body that is rested have more energy to go and draw again. That's what we want. You don't want to make a horse run 10 hours non-stop. No, you want to go with that horse and I was going to say another one. You want to go with that horse and explore the forest. Maybe sometimes you're going to walk with the horse a little bit in a fast pace, other times a little bit slower, but never you're going to tire your horse. Why tire your horse if it's your way to get away from the forest and from predators and maybe enemies and everything? Don't tire away your horse. Your horse is there to help you move yourself. And the same is your body. Your body is the horse. Take care of the horse, so that's you taking care of your body. And I'm always going to talk about food and sleep and stretching and doing cardio, because all of that's going to give more energy for you to draw and be persistent. Trust me, it's going to be so much harder, but so much harder to try and be persistent when you're feeling hungry, when you're feeling stressed, when you didn't have enough sleep, when you're only putting junk food inside of you and you know that is not true food because there is no nutrients, and without nutrients your brain cannot process stuff enough as how it should be processing. You know you're going to have a bad performance and you're going to do more mistakes in your artwork, and that's going to take you more time. So tell me, how can you be someone that is persistent, someone that is disciplined when you're drawing and you're feeling stressed, you're feeling anxious, maybe sad, maybe panic, and there you are, 1 hour passed and you didn't see much improvement? The chances of you going crazy at that specific moment are truly high. They are incredibly high. So tell me, why not take care of your horse? If you're going to a long trip, take care of your horse. Your heart is your number one priority, and I'm going to reinforce this on every single video, every single stories, every single live stream that I do, because I don't see people paying enough attention into that. I don't want to be the only artist that focus on telling you, oh, go and run that, oh, go and do this other stuff. Yeah, that's the best tip. Yeah, but what if you're not prepared to receive that tip? What if you are struggling to survive right now? You don't have the basic stuff because nobody taught you how to have that basic stuff. I want to teach you that there is basic needs that your body need even if you don't know about it. Sleep, food, water. Did you know water? Movement, stretching, cardio. You need to make your heart beat faster for at least 30 minutes every single day. Every single day. I don't want you to go dying here of a heart attack. Come on, champs. More oxygen, more abilities. Smarter. You are smarter the more you're taking care of your body. So I believe I have talked enough about body in this part. Let's talk a little bit more about mind. Now that you have done all of those things, you understand that you need to do all of this to be someone more resilient, someone that is able to handle harder, tougher periods and for a long, long time. What can you do about your mind? There are some things that you must do to not be an asshole with yourself. Because guess what? If you're doing pressure on yourself, if you're saying that you're not good enough while you're drawing, if you're saying that this is going to become shit, pure shit, if you're saying to yourself that there is no way that you're going to finish to the deadline, do you know what your best friend, aka your body, is going to think? Holy freak! I cannot do this. I cannot do this. Your body is going to release loads and loads of adrenaline, noradrenaline, and anything your adrenals can produce. Do you know what that makes to you? It makes your heart beat faster. It makes your breath become shorter. It makes your brain less thinking. You think less, and you get something called creative block. Have you heard of that any place? I think you did, because I surely have heard of that. Whenever you are having that dose, that high dose of adrenaline, your body thinks you are in a serious, dangerous situation. And by just giving your brain that's not able to get away from that, your body truly believes in you. Our body does not understand irony. Have that ever happened to you? You are there just making a joke by irony, and then you become that joke and you're not doing that by irony? Well, our body truly believes on what we tend to say. Our body believes that as true. That's the main truth that our body is going to take forever and ever if you keep showing that as true. So tell me, why always give those thoughts to yourself? Maybe you are in a very serious situation about drawing and you need to make that happen. Tell me, what is smarter? What is being the best strategic general sergeant that you can be? The one that is calm and can think clearly because the precortex is functioning well and can do clear mentality of, hey, I know that I can do this by doing this and moving this other thing, or by just going crazy into despair. Let despair take you. I'm not saying that I'm not feeling fear. I'm not saying that you should not feel fear. I'm saying that if we embrace despair, you are done. Don't do that for yourself, for your self-love. Don't do that. The best thing that you can do, go and erase that energy. Maybe go crazy, run like crazy, burn that energy, burn that adrenaline. Let your body produce more serotonin. Let your body enjoy the dopamine, not be some kind of slave of it. And now you'll be able to truly think, hey, do I need to draw first what? What is easier for me? What am I going to spend less energy drawing and what I'm going to finish faster? Okay, what is this other area that I'm so good at drawing that I can do it again and finish faster and faster? Go and do that. 1 hour, focus it. And if 1 hour is too much for you, fine. Go for 30 minutes. Go for 10 minutes. But do that. Focus it entirely in that moment. No social media, no anything that can distract you. Close your doors and focus in that specific moment on doing that. Whenever you enter, whenever you join a game, go for the win. Go for first place. Not about competing with others, but about competing with yourself. But about understanding that you can be better than the one you were yesterday. I'm serious here, champ. Why I call you champs? Because you're a champ. Look at the age we are today. the age of technology, and no one teaches us how to use that. And you know how crazy it can be to use that and not get seduced by the amount of informative memes and jokes and curiosities that the internet has to us. And you're here trying to learn, trying to improve, doing your best, even in this gigantic sea of information. I'm proud of you for taking this step into a faraway step of becoming someone better. A faraway step from the one you once were, and closer step to the one you're going to become. A better version of you, because that's what we truly want. We don't want to be the one totally, oh, I'm perfect on everything. Just improve one person today, one stroke today. That's the best way. Just start. You just gotta do one stroke. You just gotta start. I don't want you to go crazy and draw a lot of stuff. That's for another video. High performance for another video. But performance, doing it and doing it and doing it again when you're sad, and doing it again when you're happy, and doing it again when you're stressed out, and doing it again when, I don't know, a volcano came, and then that's it. Just by doing it. Even if a single stroke taking 2 seconds, that's already amazing. And you're going to be ahead of so many other people that don't understand the power of consistency. Just like water, a drop of water falling into a rock. Little by little, it's going to break into the rock. With the rock wanting that or not. Because water is consistent. And water is made to adapt. And you are just like water. You can adapt. You are the number one in the food chain. You are the dog. You are the dog. You're the number one. I believe I have talked enough. Tell me, do you want more videos of me showing my bias, the way that I think, my mindset and everything, and to inspire you champs to be someone better? Because I believe you can become something wonderful. No matter what you're going to do in your life. Art, music, numbers, bodybuilding. Anything that you're going to do for life. I know you're going to do that fantastic. You can do it, bro. We are not here to just be whatever. You're here to live to your fullest. All the love, all the peace. And this is the final artwork. You're probably seeing that this was made by day, 1 hour and 1 hour and 1 hour. And if I cannot do 1 hour, fine, 30 minutes. But every single day I was touching this artwork because I understood this was not a game that I was going to win by just sitting 12 hours in a day or sitting 12 hours 3 days straight. No, I could not win this game that way. I needed to be someone using my brain, going like, okay, what is the best strategy that I can do here, that at the same time I'm going to work on other projects, that at the same time I can make other things happen. And that's the beautiful and incredible armor that I did. And I'm no one special. If I did that, you can do that too. If that's your goal, of course. If that's not your goal, don't do it. Champs, I love you all. Have a fantastic day, and I'll be seeing you next time. See ya!